How to change pins and emotes in Brawl Stars. To change pins and emotes in Brawl Stars, after you launch the game, tap on the Brawlers icon on the left hand side of the screen. Now when you've done that, you will see a list of available Brawlers that you have. Simply select a Brawler for which you would like to change its pins and so on. When you've done that, you'll find all these options. You'll come to that Brawler's profile page. On the left hand side bottom, you can see this little icon, which is the, let's say, messaging like or a chat bubble icon. So you have to just make sure to tap on that icon, and now you can simply choose the pin or the emote that you want to use in the battle, by the way. And by the way, you can select this, and some of them could be you might have to pay some amount of currency within the game. And once done, you'll be able to change your pins and emotes, and to use that you can simply come back and select the new emote that you selected, and then you can start the battle. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.